Vivo announced the Vivo X200 series on October 14th in China. We already see Vivo X200 series first look, include the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro Mini, and Vivo X200 Pro, is set to be powered by the next generation Dimensity 9400 chipset. Now Vivo's sharing some picture sample Vivo X200 Pro. The main camera will have a 50MP Sony IMX921 sensor, the ultra-wide-angle snapper will have another 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor, and 50M IMX882 periscope camera. Now the X200 series leaked configurations along with their prices. The phone will sport a 6.78-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and featuring a 1.5K resolution flat panel with symmetrical bezels on all four sides, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. And the device could feature a 6000 mAh battery with 90W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.